up, buddy?
I have a bunch of money in here, and I was thinking if we could count it and see how much we have, and maybe we could buy something tonight.
Yeah. Hey, let's turn it into a math project.
Okay.
All right.
Let's just like.
Well, we'll dump it out. So we'll look at the different coins, right?
Yeah.
So.
And then we'll just like set the coins in
little
like,
piles. Yeah. So 25. This is a quarter. How many pennies is that worth?
That's 25.
That's 25. That's right. So, and then this is a nickel. How many pennies is that worth?
5.
Perfect. And then let's see, right here is a dime.
10.
And that's worth 10. And then we got all these pennies, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll spread it out and we'll do a quick count, and then we'll figure out how much money you have to work with tonight. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. I can't remember.
Hi everybody. This is what we've got so far. So right here we've got $6.
Well, we organized our money, right?
Yeah.
So when we did it, we organized it, and since you're used to working in 10 frames, right? We organized our dimes into 10 frames. So we have, each one is set out in 10, and a dime is worth how much?
10.
Right. So, and then all this 10 frame, if each dime is worth 10, a 10 frame of dimes is
100.
which is a dollar, right?
Yeah.
So how many 10 frames do we have of dimes?
We have 6.
Okay, good. So now in quarters, a quarter is worth how much?
25.
25, right. And so what we did was 4 times 25 is equal to 100 or a dollar.
Well, if
Right.
if you have 25 of these, like how many?
Well, no, if there's 25 cents and we have 4 of them, each one of these stacks is a dollar, right?
Yeah.
So we organized it into a 10 frame. So how many dollars do we have here? If each stack is a dollar.
10.
Right, there's $10 there. And then we have a few.
This.
So then here we have how many more
Last,
dollars?
we're
How many
gonna
more?
explain
How many more
this.
dollars do we have?
We have 6 more dollars.
5 more dollars, because this is actually should be over here if it's in the 10 frame position. Now pennies, a penny is worth 1 cent, right?
Yeah.
And we stacked those in stacks of 10, and we
Yeah.
made a 10 frame out of that. So 10 stacks of 10 is equal to
100.
100, that's right, or $1. And then we had 3 more stacks of 10, which is equal to 3 times 10 is
3 times 10 is since we stacked this in 10, that means it's 130.
that's 130, that's right.
30,
And now
not 30.
130, well there's 30. What, 10, 20, 30. So that's 130. So 130 cents. $1.30.
Okay.
Okay, so over here, our nickels we stacked in 5s. So 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So that's 25, 50, 75, a dollar,
Yeah, this
and
is
a dollar 50. We've got all of our organization. It'll be a quick count, right?
Yeah.
How many dimes do we have? And we'll get to the small change in a minute. How many dimes do we have? Each one of these 10 counts is $1,
This
right?
is not 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 is 10.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Uh-oh. We got an extra row in that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good.
Okay, so now we have how many dimes? How many? Okay, so how many dimes do we have? How many dollars? If this is a dollar, how much is that? Is that $1?
Yes.
Okay, and that's
$2, $3, $4, $5, $6.
okay, and then each one of these stacks is another dollar, right? So
Yeah.
so that if we add that 6, that's 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Okay, so now we have $21, and then we said over here the nickels that's worth 25 each. So this is another dollar right here.
Yeah, so 21.
No, we had what we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this one is
22.
And if this is another whole dollar,
That's 23.
that's 23. Now we have to add up our little change, right? So if that's
Yeah.
50, guess what? We have a 50-cent piece in here. And we put that 50-cent piece with that 50, and we get another dollar, right?
Yeah.
So how many whole dollars is that?
24.
24. Okay, and then we have 3 quarters. And then we add 25 more cents to that is 75 cents. And then another 25 cents on top of that is a dollar. So if we had 24, now we have
25.
25. And then right here we had a stack of 10, right?
Yeah.
So what this is 10, hang on that. 10,
20, 30.
30, and then now count your small change.
So 1, 2, 3.
Right, so this is a 10 and 4 pennies is 14 cents, right?
14.
And then 5 more cents, 14 plus 5.
It is 19.
19, that's right. So we have $25.19. Now we have some paper money over here.
Okay.
So we have $25. If we add $5 to that, how much do we have?
$20.
No. 25 plus 5.
30.
That's right. So we got $30 and we add 20 to that. Think about 3 plus 2. What's 3 plus 2?
That's easy. 5.
And then we add the 0, so we have $50. And then we have $50 plus, what we got?
1, 2, 3.
So 50 plus 3.
50 plus 3.
50 plus 3.
53!
53. So we have $53.19.
$53.19.
Well, that was a fun way to count and do a little math at the same time. Oh,
And we still have these.
we have 3 coins over here. Let's talk about these 3 coins real fast.
So these 3 coins we can't spend because you see.
That close. Okay, and then that closed. So let's take a look. Come back over here in the chair and let's take a look at what these are. Well, I know what this one is. This is 100 yen. That's 100 yen. And this one is 10 yen. And we have another 10 yen. So if we have 100 plus 2 tens, how much does that equal?
120.
That's right. So we have $53.19 plus 120 yen, right? That's amazing. All right, well, we want to thank the guys for watching us count our money today
Yeah.
and doing our math project.
Yeah. So thank you for
You gotta stay in the camera, buddy.
Thank you for watching, and we count our money, but we also can't spend this money because you can only use it in different countries. So this is emergency money.
Emergency money if we go to Japan. All right, see you later. Bye.
Bye.